stiff, but you'd fancy Alexander and Rajiv to get their team off to a good start. In the commentary box, I'm Raman Bhanot. Warm welcome to Sunil Joshi.
Thank you, Raman. Kerala strikers, Rajiv Pillai needs one more big knock to take his team to the finals. If they win here, this game, they will scale to the finals easily. Prashant Alexander, the first game, both of them had a great partnership to begin with and seize the game for the team. The other hand, Manoj Tiwari, can he get a couple of early doors, early wickets? Absolutely.
You'll have to say Manoj Tiwari can swing the ball a fair bit. It'll be a test for Prashant Alexander. He did get some runs, and that fine opening stand that developed with Rajiv put the Kerala strikers well on their way. First ball of the chase. Oh, look at that. For those of you who have not seen Manoj Tiwari bowl before, he can swing that ball like a banana. But it's been called a wide.
That could be the swing which he would have pitched outside the off stump, would have been closer, hitting on the batsman pads. This one, I think Alexander, he looks like he missed an opportunity. Short ball width, he could have get bat on ball, he would have got at least a couple of runs, if not the boundary. If you look at Raman here, the Kerala, they all want the first 3 overs to maximize their power play runs.
जी हाँ, केवल 2 खिलाड़ी हैं 30 गज के दायरे के बाहर पहले 3 ओवर्स में पावर प्ले के अंदर, तो मैक्सिमाइज कर सकते हैं, पर थोड़ा सा स्विंग को नेगेट करना पड़ेगा जो ज्यादा देर तक रहेगा नहीं. अच्छा सिंगल, स्ट्राइक रोटेट की, पहले रन्स बैट से निकलते हुए इस इनिंग्स के. पहला रन एक्स्ट्रा से आया था इनिंग्स का, पर ये स्ट्राइक रोटेट करी, राजीव को डाला स्ट्राइक पे.
It's very important, the sharp singles up front doesn't look comfortable.
They don't look too comfortable either.
Absolutely.
It's for a different reason, Sunil.
Absolutely. They know that the team score is not comfortable, so they are not comfortable.
It's just getting a little nippy here in the evening. Fair bit
that's
of...
called the physio there, Raman. I think Rajiv finding it difficult.
My lightning fielding has got a cramp.
Well, I wonder if it's just a case of cramps or something more. Muthu's come in to take a look. Well, it's the second game in the day that the Kerala strikers are playing. So it's going to be a test as far as the fitness is concerned for some of the players. Yeah, it's all happening here, isn't it? 83 to get, 58 balls remaining. Rajiv's yet to face a delivery, but he's just twisted his knee while running. Looks a little in a bit of discomfort, might ask for a runner.
Even the fielding side is having a laugh. The way things are going on in between the 22 yards.
Yes, but let's take a look at the standings here. Kerala strikers, they played one, they won that game. Look good to win this one as well if they put in a decent batting effort and can assure themselves a spot in the final. Telugu Warriors, of course, had a fantastic start as well, winning their opening game by 9 wickets. Bengal Tigers won their opening game, then lost the second one. And there you go, Shafiq coming out into the middle as the runner for the injured Rajiv.
Rajiv needs to play. He cannot go back because he's the man in the form who can really make the difference to Kerala strikers. Having a runner, he still doesn't look comfortable. Rajiv in all sorts of pain. He keeps remembering some words, you know, I don't know. I think so, he's still in a pain. On the other hand, Manoj Tiwari trying to get the ball into the stumps of Rakesh.
Remember, he didn't get runs, but he'd be hoping to pick up wickets here. Manoj Tiwari, very involved cricketer. Whenever he takes the field, in the previous edition of Celebrity Cricket League, we've seen him do that.
It's very important, you know, Rajiv, though he must be in a pain, and you know, he's all putting that extra effort to make sure Kerala strikers get into the final straight away from here.
He gets off the mark with that single. He wants the second. Oh, look at that. In fact, I think he forgot he had a runner who also went off down the track. And I think he's been run out because, well, look at that. He completely didn't realize that he had a runner there and took off for a single himself.
That's the pressure, you know, confusion. Everything is happening. I'll wait for the third umpire to make a decision now.
This is going to be a touch and go. Where is the bat? Oh, I think he's lost the ball. The keeper has lost the ball from his gloves. Look at that. And he's dislodged the bails with his glove. Oh dear. Talk about a comedy of errors. Has the ball hit the... No, the ball's gone. It's out of his glove. It's going to be a little easier to look at from this angle. It's the glove that has dislodged the bail from the stumps.
Ball is not in the hands, Raman. And we can clearly see the ball is diverting from the gloves, and the gloves hitting the stumps and dislodging the bails.
That should be not out. Remember, the line belongs to the umpire. Had the ball been in the keeper's gloves, that would have been out. Because the bat is on the line, not behind it.
Absolutely. So Rajiv survives.
And you know what the end result of that entire process is, Sunil? That the runner's been sent back.
So no more confusion.
Would you believe it? Well, the runner's been sent off. Oh, that's close, that's close, that's going to be gone. Yes, it is. Manoj Tiwari strikes. And Prashant Alexander's gone leg before. Just the start that the Mumbai Heroes required.
This is what I was mentioning, you know, outside the off stump, getting into him, Manoj Tiwari. Getting the ball right in the spot there. Look at that ball seam position. Right on the banana, what we were been talking about, bananas.
I know you're hungry, Sunil, I know, but, well, that one did swing. He's gone, Prashant Alexander for one, and they are 3 for 1 Kerala strikers.
Imagine. New batsman Arun Benny for Kerala strikers. रमन यहाँ पे अगर मनोज तिवारी ने 2 और विकेट निकाल दिए तो चांसेस ऑफ मुंबई हीरोज becomes much more stronger.
आपकी डिमांड तो बढ़ती जा रही है, सुनील. एक तो निकाल दिया, एक आउट कर दिया, अब आप 2 और मांग रहे हैं.
मैंने 2 विकेट मांगे थे इसलिए ताकि ये टूर्नामेंट वाइड ओपन हो जाए.
पर फिलहाल एक विकेट टेकिंग ओवर समाप्त होता हुआ. 5 for 1 Kerala strikers.